Hey guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro. This is Rita over here, and in today's video we gonna see how to install a WordPress theme. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So what is a WordPress theme? WordPress theme is nothing but a design of your website. So how can you add different themes to your website, that is which are relevant to your content and all, we'll just see in this video. So we have two ways of adding themes to your website using WordPress. So the first way is by using the WordPress directly from WordPress, and the second way is by using the Google search method. So in this video I'll just show you both the methods to install themes to your WordPress site. So now we are here with the WordPress dashboard. So this is our first way. So in any way we have two steps to get the theme onto your WordPress website. So the first step is installing the theme, and second step is activating the theme so that you get it on your website. So firstly, when you see this dashboard, in the left side column you can see appearances over here, and then go to themes. And in the themes you see one active theme is which is on your website. This is on my website, that is online photography theme is active on my website now. So you can change themes. So in order to change the theme, click on add new. So here you can see some bunch of themes, so you can select from here, or else you can if you have some specific theme in your mind, you can go type the name of the theme over here and you can get the theme. Let's take some theme from here. Let's go with this. So to see how it actually looks on your website, click on preview button. So this is how it actually looks on your website, and if you feel like it is for you, it is for your website content and all, then you can install it by clicking the link, by clicking the button install over here. Now it is being installed and it is installed. Now you can, the second step is activating your theme. So click on activate button. So now this theme is been activated to your website, so you can see this theme on your website. So here you can see this is your active theme, that is education expert, which you have installed and activated over here. So now we are done with the first way, that is installing and activating theme from the WordPress, and now we'll go to the second way, that is installing and activating your theme from the Google search. So before going into the second way, I just want to show you the hostinger.in, which is the most recommendable hosting services. So if you want to get a professional web hosting services and your domain registration at very affordable prices, you can go for hostinger.in. I'll just give you a quick overview of this hostinger.in. As you can see over here, now the 70% off is going on, and see what it is providing, the free domain and free SSL, and also it is the most affordable hosting services and most recommendable hosting service provider. So here you can see the three plans of hostinger.in. The first one is single web hosting, so it costs you just 59 per month. Here the benefits are over here. So firstly, one website, 30 GB SSD storage, 10,000 visits monthly, and free SSL and all. Here over here you can see all the features. And next comes the popular web hosting package, or the best premium web hosting plan. So this is 119 per month. In this you get 100 websites, 100 GB SSD storage, 25,000 visits monthly, free email, free SSL, free domain, unlimited bandwidth, managed WordPress, and many more benefits over here. And the next comes this business web hosting, which is 229 per month. So among these three you can select your relevant plan according to your needs, requirements, and your basic requirements of your website. So mostly this is the popular plan and the best value plan. So how can you opt for this plan? So simply just click on add to cart. So you will be landed to this page. Here you can see your domain registration. For your domain registration, just to see the availability of the required domain name, click your domain name. So I'm just going with some random alphabets so that it is available, but you can give the relevant domain name depending upon your content and your website theme. So here let's type domain name and click on search for the availability of the domain. And here you go. So these are availabilities and these are the suggestions. So you can go with .in or .online or .com and many more extensions over here. So I just want to go with .com. Click on add to cart. So it is verifying availability now. So once this is available, you will be able to check out. So continue to cart. And now you're almost done. So please check the order summary over here and then click on checkout now. And you can choose your payment method and then you will be done with the things. So just go with some payment method, fill the details, and you just get your credentials to log into the hostinger.in, and you are done with the domain registration and hosting services. And once again, the hostinger is the most recommendable hosting service providers across the world. So now let's get back to the video, that is our second way how to install your WordPress themes to your website. So now to get your themes depending upon your content. So now you just need to search for type of your theme space WordPress theme. So type of the theme, for example, we can take blogging. So this will be my type of theme space WordPress themes. So click on it and then let's go with one of the WordPress theme. We see many themes over here, and you can see and you can select any of these themes depending upon your relevancy and your content on your choice. So I'll just go with this bootstrap blog theme. So I feel like this is more suitable for my blog. So click on it and it redirects you to this some page, and you can click on download now. So it would ask you for some email address. I'll just give some email, and I don't want to subscribe to this newsletter, so click on subscribe now. So we are almost done. Download theme file, click on it and it is getting downloaded. So once the download is complete, we just go back to our WordPress dashboard again. Now let's again go to the appearances, and in the appearances go to the themes, and now you need to upload this theme to your WordPress. So now click on the upload theme, and now we would just there would be a pop-up of selecting the file that we need to upload. So here we just got a choose file. We need to choose a file and then click on this bootstrap blog and click on install now. So it is been installed. So you can see over here installing theme from uploaded file. So it shows you that the theme is updated successfully. So let's click on activate. So now you can see the Bootstrap blog is active now on your WordPress website. So we'll also see now the next thing is we'll see how to delete the themes. So here you can see some of the installed themes over here. So how can you delete this? Click on the theme and click on the delete button. So now it would be deleted. So you better delete the themes which are not required or not useful to you, because that increases your performance and that increases your accuracy, and it makes you it makes easy to work with the WordPress site. So that is all for this video, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching, guys.